Hi there. In this video, we are going to learn a delicious fall recipe with seasonal ingredients from Friuli in northern Italy, the Radicchio Brie savory pie. This is Jacqueline of Vero, where we go around the world seeking high-quality wines made by small wineries, like Vigna Petrussa, who brought us this delicious recipe today. Vigna Petrussa has been women-led for 3 generations, and is highly rated and lauded as one of Italy's best and most under-the-radar estates by Venus and Ian D'Agata, who proclaimed Vigna Petrussa wine grower-maker Hilda Petrussa as a woman with great passion for her craft. We'll go into the recipe in just a moment, but first, a word about their wine. Today we want to pair with the Richenza white wine. That is a blend that pairs well with this Radicchio and Brie. It's a blend of native white grapes to Friuli, and its freshness and intense fruit and spice flavors pair well with the flavors of the dish and the creaminess that comes through from the Brie. So, without further ado, let's get started and have a look at this recipe and see what you need to make this delicious dish. Let's start off with the ingredients. You need 300 grams of Radicchio, 200 grams of Brie, some pasta brise or pie crust, some walnuts, raisins, and a little bit of balsamic vinegar and honey. Go ahead and cut up your radicchio. Then you're going to want to wash and drain well your raisins. In a skillet, go ahead and sauté some olive oil, extra virgin olive oil, some balsamic vinegar, and the honey. When everything is getting nice and melted and amalgamated together, go ahead and add your radicchio and let it sauté and wilt in the pan. Once it is all nice and browned, add your raisins. Then lastly, you're going to add in the walnuts. Mix it all well together, and then cut up your brie into nice slices or cubes, however you prefer. Now to construct this savory pie, go ahead and put your sautéed radicchio mixture into the pan, top it with your brie, brush the edges with a little egg if you would like, and then bake it for 40 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Remember, serve it with a nice chilled glass of Richenza white wine from Vigna Petrussa and enjoy. So, there you have it. How to make this Radicchio and Brie savory pie. Let us know in the comments how yours turns out, and order the Richenza white wine from Vigna Petrussa on verovino.com. We'll have a link in the description below, and let us know how you think the pairing turns out. I'll see you with the next video. Thank you for joining me today. Bye-bye.